Hello there and welcome to the walk around video of the BMW 420d Coupe here at Your Next Car. So I'll give you a little walk around the vehicle whilst talk through some of the options and spec. So of course starting with the outside of the vehicle where we have the Your Next Car Performance Kit, which is fitted all in-house here at Your Next Car. On this particular vehicle we've gone for the gloss black kidney gauze satin front splitter. We've also just fitted the 666 19-inch competition style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres. You will also see that this vehicle benefits from having the BMW Angel Light and Xenon headlamps with the headlamp washers. Down the side we've got the side vinyls in satin black, side bars in satin black, and the performance decals. We also have the Alpine white body colour air vent for the front brakes. Inside the vehicle we have the stunning red Dakota leather, which in the front is heated. Personally think the Alpine white and red Dakota leather is one of the best colour choices you can get. Inside the vehicle we have the multifunction M Sport steering wheel with the 8-speed sports gearbox, which we'll get through in a bit more detail in just a moment. We have the diamond cut faces on the 666 alloy wheels. Personal favourite alloy wheel choice of mine are the 666 competition alloy wheels, which you have here on this particular 4 Series. Round to the back we have the gloss black rear boot spoiler, satin diffuser. The vehicle is on a 2016 66 plate, as you can see there. We have a rear reversing camera, which again I'll show you in a bit more depth in just a moment. Boot space for a coupe vehicle is phenomenally good. On the 4 Series range the seats do also fold down as well for that bit of extra room should it be required. In terms of the interior, we have the grand piano black trim door card inserts, the brushed aluminium centre console and dashboard, along with the grand piano black trim inserts on the centre console piece again. Rear seats, once again, all very nice and tidy, much like the rest of the vehicle, and of course you do have the ISOFIX points in the rear as well, should they be required. We have the electric lumbar adjustment on both front passengers and driver's seat. Okay, so I'll now get on round to the driver's seat and talk you through some of the interior options and features in a bit more depth. The vehicle has covered 59,000 miles, as you can see there, just a little bit over. We have the BMW Professional Wide Navigation and Media. This is the facelifted iDrive, so it does have a few more functions and features built within it. We of course have the heated leather seats, the 8-speed sport gearbox, which I've mentioned at the start of the video, with the pedal shift. We have cruise control with speed limiter, voice control, volume controls. We can see the vehicle status. As you can see, everything is in green and it's not due a service for 18,000 miles, as you can see there. With the Professional Wide Navigation and Media, you also get the much larger dial and, as I say, a few more functions and features with the newer iDrive, included the connected drive online search. As you can see, we've got 3 recorded services from BMW there. Only BMW can update the iDrive, and it was last serviced at 58422, and we can click and see what's carried out there. So it had a full service, including rear brakes there and brake fluid. We have Bluetooth communications and media, and of course DAB radio and a wide array of multimedia inputs as well. And there we have the rear reversing camera, as well as front and rear parking sensors as well. Particularly nice option to have, of course. And of course automatic lights and automatic wipers. Okay, so that's pretty much going to finish off the walk around video for the 420d in Alpine White. We of course hope you found the video useful. Most of all, we hope to see you very soon here at Your Next Car. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, all the best, thank you and goodbye.